everyone. Today let us learn about the advent of Europeans.
The Portuguese. Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in India on 17th May 1498. He was the first Portuguese to reach India. Thereby, the Portuguese were the first among the Europeans to reach India. Their main aim were to build colonial empire and trade with the eastern countries and propagation of Christianity.
For the rise of Portuguese, Zamarian, the king of Calicut, granted trade to permission of Vasco da Gama. Albuquerque was appointed as governor, viceroy of India. In 1510 Common Era, Albuquerque acquired Goa at Sultan of Vijaipur. Succeed governors after Albuquerque established colonies at Basin, Chaul, Hughley, Santom, Mumbai and other places of Portuguese.
English standards are strong navy. Portuguese did not fight with them. Portuguese government officials become highly corrupted. With the decline of Vijayanagara Empire, they trade. Discovery Almeida was the first viceroy governor in India. They were the first among the Europeans to enter India and last among the Europeans to lead India. Even though British rule ended in 1947 Common Era, yet Portuguese didn't leave our land. Of Goa, the native Indians resorted on non-violent protest, but the protesters were subjected to inhuman treatment. Ultimately, in 1961 Common Era, Indian Navy chased away the Portuguese and liberated. Portuguese Dutch from the Netherlands arrived here. In 1602, Dutch East India Company established. This company obtained monopoly to trade with countries in East. It also equipped to mandate wage battle or enter treaties with the local ruler. Pulicat became the capital of Dutch. Agra, Machilipatnam, Surat, Karaikal, Nagapatnam and Cochin and other places were Dutch trading centers.
Dutch clash with the English, but the English defeated the Dutch. Unable to face the English competition, the Dutch turned their attention towards the islands of Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, Cambodia.
In the beginning, English followed peaceful trade as their policy to secure trading situation in India to establish their supremacy.
The East India Company in 16th century Common Era established trade links by obtaining the permission of Queen Elizabeth.
Indian company ships were anchored at Surat Port. Sir Thomas Roy visited Mughal Empire and obtained 1615 Common Era and obtained permission to trade Surat. Later, the trading center were established at Agra, Ahmedabad, Bhoj, and they established the trade factories at Calcutta, Madras, and Bombay. Kolkata, now Kolkata, was their first capital.
Farrukhsiyar was Muhammad Farrukhsiyar. The English took license called the Turks to do land speed trading, and so they became more powerful than domestic traders.
To improve their strength, the British built forts around the residency area and trade center. They employed soldiers to protect the establishment and arms and ammunition. Within a short time, English had a strong market.
1964 to 1954 Common Era. French were the last among Europeans to reach India for trade. They established East India Company in 1664 Common Era. In India, they opened their first house at Surat in 1668 Common Era. Within a short period of time, they established their trading centers in different parts of India.
They opened their trade centers in Pondicherry, Karaikal, Machilipatnam and Chandranagar. Pondicherry was the capital of the French. The influence of the Hyderabad to Carnatic regions east of Tamil Nadu with this clever diplomacy sent the English who had came to India for trade purposes, now fought many wars and established political and supremacy. They are called as Carnatic wars.
Thus, before the decline of the French army commander India were not given completely support by the government of France. Political confusion and revolution taken place in the France. This led to the decline of India. French navy was not superior to the English navy.
Vasco da Gama reached Calicut, Kerala in India in 1498. Albuquerque was appointed as governor of India in 1503. British East India Company in 1600. Dutch East India Company in 1692. French East India Company in 1664. French opened first war house at Surat in 1668. British rule ended in 1947.